Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to insert picture and text on the same line in Microsoft Word without breaking alignment. This is perfect for creating professional documents, resumes, forms, certificates, ID layouts, and clean graphic style designs. Instead of struggling with images jumping to new line, you will discover the correct way to use wrap text, alignment tools and layout option to keep everything perfectly positioned. So let's get started. Now I want to make this. At first go to the page. Then we make the alignment perfect. Insert the table. Now I insert a table using two cell. Then increase the size of the table, then go to the first column or cell of the table and go to the insert menu, click the picture option, choose picture from our file and insert it. We can see the picture is too big. Go to the format menu, click wrap text option, choose in front of text, then image, resize the picture and set the picture to this table perfectly. Then go to the next cell of this table. Now I write something, like here we write many text, otherwise you can paste only some text. Now I remove this all text, then we can see here the text. Now we remove the table border line, select the table, then go to the layout design menu, click the border option, choose no border. Then we can see the picture and the text on the same line and the alignment is perfect. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.